All right, so what we have here is a Foster Brothers cleaver. Now, this is quite nice. It's about an eighth of an inch thick. Looks like a oak handle, but as you can see, it's all dinged up, starting to split off. I'm assuming this is brass. It's so fucking rusted over and corroded over, I can't tell. You can see right behind that shoulder, we've got a good bit of rust in there, so that's indicative of what's underneath the handle as well. Blade finish is questionable, so we're going to clean all that up, and we're going to go ahead and put a new edge on here, put some fancy fucking handles on here. A little bit of history about this company. They're a New York-based knife company, as were so many during that period. They opened up in, I want to say, the late 1870s, and were doing business all the way up through the 1950s. This one I would date around the 1940s. During that time, they ramped up cleaver production during the war, and it's not like it was a fucking combat knife, but people need to eat. So in that regard, they were provided to the Army, Navy, Marines in terms of food preparation during the war. And pretty sure that's what this one is. So it's got some history behind it. And I'm dating this one, like I say, probably around the 1940s, maybe 38, 39, in that range somewhere, just based on the condition that it's in. But yeah, next video you see of this one, it'll be all pretty up, wearing some pretty handles, and won't have any of that gunk and shit on it anymore. That's for sure. It'll be nice and classy. Have a good one. Ardot's a fag. Alright, so here we are all finished up. Went ahead and cleaned the entire blade of all the rust and crap off there. And then went ahead and put a light polish on there. And then wire brush back over it. So you've got a nice contrast of aged patina without rust. And beautiful, beautiful smooth finish all over it. Handles are, let's see, this was walnut with blue hexcomb, yeah. So you got walnut, hexcomb, walnut. Secured with brass pins, and let's see if we can make this fucker shine for you with a little bit of fucking carnauba wax and oil. So yeah, that's some pretty fucking wood. It's a beefy fucker too. So yeah, this will be up tomorrow, 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, and someone will take it home. Hope it ain't one of you queers.